or bacon production. It can also rear a large litter of piglets, hence it has a good mothering ability. Duroc, also known as Duroc Jersey. It is reddish in color and its face is slightly dished. It is smaller in size compared to the other breeds of pigs. It has slightly drooped ears. It's quite muscular, hence excellent for heavy carcass production. It has a late maturity. Hampshire. It is large in size and has black and white marks. Their head, ears, shoulders, rear legs and tail are usually black. Thank you for watching.